mean, what are you looking for?
Don't stress yourself, okay? It's just a mere dream, okay?
No. You know, my dreams always come to pass. And my experience and the kind of dream I have been having since this pregnancy, I don't understand.
Listen, don't let fear grip you, okay? Fear is false evidence appearing real. Trust me, my love, these dreams are not real. Dreams are not real, okay? Don't stress yourself, okay? Now, you need to go back to sleep. Hi. Where's the wine? Please. Who is Oledo?
Oledo is the child your wife is carrying. I will tell you the future.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Helen?
Yes, Mom.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Or is your gown falling off?
No.
How's the baby kicking?
Very fine. We're good. Everybody's doing fine. It might be a boy.
That's good. Sita, where is Izuna and his wife?
Well, if I had to guess, I would say they're in his room having sex.
Oh, Sita!
I'm kidding. You're bad. I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't mean that, okay? I did mean that, but I'm sorry I brought it up while you were eating, so.
Hello, everyone. How are you? Well, Oledo, this is my brother, Osita, my wife to be, Oledo.
Oledo.
You guys know each other?
What you mean? Yes, this is my love, Oledo. I came to your room and I didn't see you.
Let's stop that right now. This is not a good joke. It's very distasteful and disrespectful.
Do I look like I'm joking?
Osita!
Did I hear you right? Kichwa yako ni mzuri. Uiraj, yani uiyo wichore. Is something wrong with your head? Are you okay? Osita, are you okay? How dare you say that you love this woman in front of everyone here? How dare you?
Oh, you think I'm these Nigerian women, right? You are wrong. I will show you that I'm from Kenya. Just wait and see.
What's going on here? What is this?
Oledo.
What's going on?
Osita! Stop this nonsense! Sooner. Okay, be Fenka. Hey! What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? Eh?
My son, honestly, I had no idea that happened. She gave me her word concerning her daughter. I'm sure you're mad with me. I'm sure you're mad with everyone else. My prince, first we have to investigate this before you take action, please.
First it's the throne, now it's the woman I love. I will not have it.
But Atonugi, just calm down.
What? You are just a coward. Yes, a coward. You left your people for 8 years. 8 good years. And now you come strolling back, expecting everything to be handed to you on a platter of gold.
Did I hear you say coward?
Oh, yes! Yes!
Look, just in case you're wondering what I was doing for the 8 years that I was away from here, I was working my ass off, trying to make sure that I had my own identity. I became a man of my own, and guess what? I succeeded. When you're not being a prince, what are you?
Oh, please don't even go there, okay? Because I am better than you.
Please,
I am better.
Can you just stop this? Please.
Tell this fool. What?
Please.
What?
Please, I beg you, just stop it.
Huh? Throne, my woman, no! No.
No, come in.
Hello, my prince.
Hey, Mom.
Lunch is ready.
Oh, come on. A servant could have come to call me for that.
Oh, that's no problem. Thank you for all the gifts you brought for me. I'm still unwrapping them.
You're welcome. All right, then. Let me just finish now. I'll join you in a minute.
Hurry up, okay?
I will.
Excuse me.
Long live your majesty.
Greetings, Queen Mother.
Please rise.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm very well, Queen Mother.
Good.
I'm so sorry about the death of the king. Thank you. Condolences.
Thank you, my dear. This is my son, Izuna, the crown prince. I'm sure you've not met.
I think I have. Maybe when he was still a child.
You must be very proud, especially having a daughter who is a qualified medical doctor and will soon become the future queen of this land.
I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much for this love you have brought to my family. It gives us happiness.
Thank you, Queen Mother.
You're welcome, my dear. You know what the custom demands?
Yes.
That she'll be spending some time together, thinking of her life and all that beholds her. Then she will return to us to assume duty to our people.
Yes, she has been fully groomed for this and she is more than prepared.
Good.
Are you ready to be queen?
Yes, I'm ready to be your queen. Like that look on your face, kingly. Let's take a selfie. All right.
So you mean the wedding isn't holding anymore?
I can't go ahead with it. I can't marry a whore. I called it off.
You're telling me the wedding is not going to hold?
What's happening?
Look at me and talk to me.
What do you want?
Where have you been?
I've been around.
How dare you say that you love that girl in front of everyone?
Because I love her, okay? Is that so hard to comprehend? I love her.
Really?
Yes, really.
You've been drinking. Because that's all that you ever know how to do. You have a problem, you drink! Are you even a man?
Dare you? How dare you talk to me like that? Get out. Please what?
Leave.
What do you mean leave?
Calm down. I don't even know what to say to you. I don't want to have this conversation with you.
Of course you don't know what to say to me. Of course you cheated on me, okay? Oledo, look at me. You cheated on me. And you cheated on your husband-to-be.
It's not what you think.
What do you mean it's not what I think? Then what is it? Huh? Because he wasn't giving you any attention, right? You realized that you wanted someone to fill in the space for the meantime, and it was me. Because I'm Mugu now. Moi qui dis Wenedi. As per Mugu. As per Mugu.
Why are you sounding like this?
Why am I sounding like what? What do you mean why am I sounding like this? Huh?
I never used you.
You did? Then what was it? Huh? No, say it. You love him, right? You love that?
Mister, this is not easy for me as well.
Oh. See who's talking about easy.
Please.
See who's talking about easy. I guess it wasn't easy for you to tell me during our multiple conversations. I buy you from all to Zabai. You couldn't am bound. But it was very easy for you. As per what now?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Okay.
Please.
No, you're sorry. It's okay. It's okay. My heart is healed. The universe is happy. Everything is perfect. But guess what, darling? It doesn't work that way. It does not work that way. Okay? Because only one man can have you. And I swear to God, it cannot be him. It cannot be that man.
Please.
Please.
Stop, please.
Oledo.
Please.
Oledo.
Izuna, my son, I called you to offer you some words of advice. I thank the gods for the gift of wisdom and understanding. It has pleased them to permit me.
If this is about the girl, I cannot marry her.
Don't rush it. At least I know that I have the advantage of years over you, in addition to being the eye of the gods. So I think it will pay you really to listen. Osita makes me understand that she loves this girl. Good. Is it mutual? Is there reciprocity? We have not been able to establish that now. If there were reciprocity, if it were mutual, she wouldn't come back to you as a husband. No. If I know women the way I think I do, and for my years I should, she came back to you as a husband. I am therefore suggesting that you give her a chance. Let it be an experimental stage, within which period you'll find out if she really loves you or she's merely playing around with your feelings. I know that you are mature enough to tell when a girl is merely flirting with your emotions and when she is serious. So I think you should give her a chance.
Come in. Come in.
Greetings, my prince. You have a letter.
Hello, Osita. I love you very much, but I've finally come to the realization that you cannot love me back like I want. So I've decided to move on with my life. Don't look for me. I will keep the child. I wish you the best with the woman you love. Helen.
Eben tinyere isi harata, eben tinyere kwaruko, eben tinyere onwe m harata, ana m ama n'azụ ya bụ ezi ihe, mana ọ na-afụfụ. Eben tinyere isi harata.
I'm so sorry. I mean, so unfair to you. For all this while, you were loyal to me, but I was made to believe otherwise. You deserve so much more than I've been giving you. But I promise you, I will make it up to you. Oh yes, I will make you the envy of every woman in this kingdom. Oh yes, I will. No woman will ever come close to my heart.
Thank you.
Lies! It's all lies! It's all lies! Lies! It's a big lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. Because of Amorfo, they are standing here and they can hear my every word. Yes, thank you for vindicating her. All the lies I heard.
My prince.
Oh,
what's going on?
You have no idea. I see, the words were coming so fast. But they were all lies. Look at this. I'm telling you, it's just, I'm so happy. I'm now a... Come. See? One day, you become a man. Say after me, one day, I will be a man. I will be a good man. And I'll find a good wife. Yes. Now, go and get that white ram. Tied here, by the gate, for me. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to her mother to let her know that she raised a good child. Lies! Nothing but lies! Hold on!
My king!
Please, get up. How are you doing?
Very well, my king. Is everything all right?
Everything is okay. I've just come here to appreciate the good work you've done in your daughter.
Aww.
To commend you for the trading.
I'm glad, my king. I'm glad.
I'm here because of the fact that she kept her honor. That's why I came here. To show you appreciation.
I am so glad, my king. Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you so much. Ram of purity.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much, my king. Thank you so much. Oh, God, ma. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Done well. Done very well.
Please.
Daddy! Iwe! Guards! Iwe! Daddy! Daddy! No! Daddy! Biko, Naomi, Biko, Daddy! Daddy! No!
Ostadema, you've been everything as a man to your father, to your family, and to the community. You are our son, our prince, and maybe our future king. And you know the tradition as a prince. You know the tradition. What is that noise for?
What noise?
There's sound out there.
Okay. Let me check.
Please do.
Please.
Ah!
Brother, Izuna.
Back.
You're back. Oh yes, I'm back.
Hey.
Izuna, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ugogbe m, iji anyị na-eje n'ije dị, ị ga-eche ọfụma.
Ise.
Be di gị, ị ga-eweta ihe udo.
Ise.
Ị ga-eweta ha ọganihu.
Ise.
Ị ga-eweta ihe ịfụnanya.
Ise.
Weta ha ọganihu.
Ise.
Mgbe unu ga-amụ nwa, unu ga-amụ n'eke.
Ise.
Ozuzu orie.
Ise.
Ozuzu afọ.
Ise.
Ozuzu nkwọ.
Ise.
Ihe unu ga-eji zụ ụmụaka ma nkọ.
Ise.
Osi n'elu bịa, ose anwụ.
Ise.
Osi n'ala bịa, ọda mmiri.
Ise.
Ajọ mma ama mkpọ gị.
Ise.
Ajọ mmadụ ama mkpọ gị.
Ise. I love you.
Ow! Ow! What you do that for? Hey, that's not funny, okay?
What's not funny is you sleeping like a log of wood after just 2 rounds. For how long will you continue to do this? You run away from home. All you do is just drink. You smoke, Osita. You make love and you drink again. I mean, you need to face your family.
Hey, my family issues are none of your business, okay? It's none of your business.
Well, it didn't sound like that 2 hours ago when you're crying to me.
Hey, I was drunk. I was drunk, okay?
Say, Asita, I know I'm just like a slut to you. But I'm also that sensible friend you are. The ball is in your court. All you have to do is just play it right. Nakupenda sana.
That was great, you know? That was great advice. I almost cried. I almost shed tears. That's how great it was. You know? Thank you. Thank you very much.
And where are you going to?
I need some air.
Joel, the 5th man you've sent away since the last 6 months you returned. Is it wise to throw away just a crate of egg because one is missing? Joel.
Amazing. I like them. I think I'm going to invite them for my wedding. I'm having fun.
Osita, why did you leave me alone in the room like that? It's not fair. You know what? Don't you ever call me again.
Who's there?
He's here.
Who's he?
Izuna, he's here.
I'm not around.
Charles, I'm looking at you now.
I'm not around.
She's hurt. And she has every right to be. You have not seen her or come to check on her since she got back from England. All the things she told me you guys had together.
I know.
She's just disappointed that all the plans didn't come to pass. But I'll personally bring her to your home.
I came back to Nigeria to get crowned king. My father's death was untimely.
Let me go and talk to her. She's not in the right frame of mind to talk to you.
I totally understand. I'll be back some other time to speak with her.
Izuna may marry that woman as a matter of duty. But with you, it's a matter of love.
Matter of duty, my beautiful behind.
But you can't fight tradition. The man you love loves tradition. Especially not a king's tradition. The only option here is for you to become the second wife.
That's not an option to me.
Greetings, elders of the land.
Oh no, we greet you also.
I summoned this meeting to enable us continue with detailed plan for the coronation of our new king. As you all know, it's going to be a big and expensive occasion.
Very expensive.
That is why we are here, enable us work out the items needed so we shall not be taken by surprise on that day.
Oh no, you have spoken well. But before the coronation, we need to meet and agree on a date for the marriage so that we could announce this date to all our friends, associates, and colleagues as the custom demands.
Thank you, George. Well spoken.
Oh no, I suggest we proceed.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Your Highness, there is a Moise.
Tell him to come in.
He's outside, sir.
Then let him come in.
He can't come in, sir.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry.
Asị m na onye ajụrụ ada ajụ onwe ya.
Nne m dike gwụrụ ọgwụ ezi na onye jụrụ nne n'ụwa na-ajụrụ onwe ya.
Dị ochie a na-akọsịrị ebe ọ bụ n'elu nkwụ.
Nne m ụmụ ụwa na dị ochie na-akọsịrị ebe ọ bụrụ n'elu nkwụ.
O doro anya na osi kpuchiri ezi na ana apa mma.
Bube dike na ikwuru n'ọdụrụ m anya na esisi kpuchiri ezi na nara apa mma mmanwụ be m.
Agadi nwaanyị na-akara nka n'egwu ụmụala agbụ.
Nne m na agadi nwaanyị na-akara nka n'egwu ụmụala agba n'elu.
Akwa na-ebeli Biafra nọ n'anyị ka nọrọ ka ebe isi na-ebu.
Nne m dike Igbo na-akwa na-ebeli ibi mmanwụ. Akwa na-ebeli ibu na ọnyịla arọ mmanwụ be m n'ọbụrụ na ọnyịla arọ kama n'ebe ife nwa dịkwa nọ na-ajọ njọ mmanwụ be m. Bube dike Igbo re ka ibe isi na-ebu.
Agadi nwaanyị dị ada nda na bụ ogburibe dị n'okpu ya gụọ anya ọnụ.
Iwe tie na agadi nwaanyị dada mụrụ na-abụ wee gbuo ifopụ n'ụba anụ. Na mmụọ dike Igbo akwabala odogwu Bube dike akpata oyi na anwụ.
Agba mgbu ọtọ n'ogbe gba egbu atọ n'ogbe bụ ogbe ka a pịala akụ.
Iwe kwụgwọ bụ esiru dịka ọ gara gidi mmanwụ. Agba mbụ nwe ọtụ n'ogbe gba abụọ ọtụ n'ogbe ọnọbụdị ogbe ka apịla akụ ka mmalie olugbo na mma na-anụ oge elu mmanwụ onye ma wee kwabala odogwu.
Adịghị mma. Deme. No. I can hear you now.
Once again, Isamo, I greet you.
Thank you.
I am very worried. Duty pushes me one way. My emotions are heading me towards another way. How do I marry someone I do not know?
Your coronation is only a few days away. And the lady chosen by the community to be your wife have already been groomed in the duties of a queen. And she's anxiously waiting for you. Your desires can always remain your desires. That's your privilege as a king.
But we already had plans to get married. I just had to travel to find my way. Now I'm back. And sooner than later, a man soon finds out that home is where the heart is. She is where my heart is.
It is very easy to tell that you're using your head, not your heart. And in time, these fickle thoughts will disappear and you will brace up to stack a reality, right? It's a question of time, my son, time.
I thought your duty was to protect the interest of your king.
I think you're wrong there. My responsibility is to protect the throne, not the king. You see, as the custodian of our culture, I should, at all times, guarantee the protection of the throne. I am not professionally a minder of the king, no. And you see, my prince, I'd like you to understand that. By the way, you're not the king yet, remember? You're not. Give it a thought, my prince.
My lady, I am very certain that the prince is occupied with the responsibilities he must fulfill before the king's burial.
I thought so too. But he hasn't called me. Not even once. Charity.
Yes. Do you think I'm in his heart the way he is in mine?
Of course.
But he's not showing it.
You're welcome, sir.
Hello.
What would you have for dinner?
Can I take a look? All right. I don't even have to look at this. Do you guys have porridge beans?
Yes, we do.
With plantain?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll have that. Hold on. Who's the lady in red?
I don't know, but she's a guest.
Of course she's a guest. Thank you. Hello. Hi. Sorry to interrupt. My name is Osita. And I've seen you around here a couple of times actually, you know? Well, once, actually. But I can't overstate the effect that seeing you that day had on me. I can't overstate it, you know?
Well, I'm sorry about that.
Sorry. I mean that in the best possible way. Okay, this, honestly, this might sound cliche, but I thought I saw...
An angel.
Yeah.
That's not cliche. That's lazy. Well, nice meeting you.
Osita. I'm Osita.
We're on our way before you stepped in.
Have
a nice day.
Okay, I didn't get your name though. Excuse me. Your name? You didn't finish your food. You didn't even touch.
You know who I invited you?
Ezemo.
I'm aware that the gods have gifted you with clairvoyance. I want you to give me an accurate assessment of the current situation.
Thank you, Ezemo. I'm concerned, Ezemo, about this foreign king. Who is he? We don't know him much. Anyway, we know him as the king's son. But outside that, nothing. We know nothing about him.
Yeah, nothing.
He has been away for 8 years. But before then, we hardly knew anything about him. I'm concerned.
No, I share your fears. I share your fears.
This blessing from the gods is often misinterpreted by people around me because they do not understand. They do not understand. You see, I feel this negative vibration whenever he's around me. Whenever he's around me, the vibration becomes intensified.
Ndị be anyị si na agha akara aka adịghị eli ngụlụ. N'ọsọsọ osisi na one a ga-egbu ekwulu. The gods are going to direct us aright. I have just consulted them. They will not let us down.
I know the gods are wise. Joe, I have to leave soon. We still have time. I have my father's burial, the wedding, and my coronation. We won't have to hide for long, okay?
He keeps cutting the call. He won't even let it ring. Charity, we've been here for 3 days and not even a word from my husband-to-be.
But my lady, are you perhaps worried he may not want to go ahead with the marriage?
With the silence, my mind runs wild.
On the other note, maybe he's ill, or perhaps he's just overwhelmed with the responsibilities of Akwamuzu.
And what if he's with another woman?
But why don't you call Mama to go to the palace to check up on him?
I wouldn't want to do that. I don't want it to look like I'm too desperate. Besides, I wouldn't want to bug Queen Mother.
But if it puts your mind at rest, I do not think it's a bad idea at all.
Hello, beautiful ladies.
You again.
Yes, it's me. You miss me? Oh, I can tell you miss me. That face says I missed you. Well, it's okay, because I missed you too.
So what exactly do you want from me?
I just want to take a walk with you. If you don't mind, of course. You know, when I was a kid, my dad wanted me to be a doctor.
Really?
Yeah.
So why didn't you study it?
You want to know the truth?
Yes.
I hate blood. Hello. Yeah.
What can I offer you?
What'd you want?
What do I even want? Chapman.
Chapman, just Chapman.
Yeah.
Alcoholic or non-alcoholic, man?
Non-alcoholic.
Oh, you're sure?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I will have Long Island.
Okay.
Make it extra strong.
It's all right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You said you're scared of blood. This is so funny.
It's not funny. Stop laughing. It's not funny, okay?
No, but sincerely, it's funny. How?
It's not funny. I mean, I honestly cannot stand the sight of blood. I mean, how am I supposed to behave in a surgery room, right? Nurse, please pass me inside the wound.
You're not serious. Well, for me, something I've always wanted as a child. I have an aunt who was a nurse and she helped me so well.
That's cool. That's cool. Well, my uncle was an engineer.
So that's why you became an engineer.
Not really. You know, I just like to fix things.
And you fix things so well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I see you tomorrow again?
Stop.
You're so cute, baby.
Take me. That's it.
So they allowed you leave just like that?
What? What are they gonna do? Hold me? I left elegantly, okay? I strolled away with swag.
That's hilarious. Are you serious?
I am serious, and I told you I was gonna make you laugh. And trust me, you look so beautiful when you laugh. Name Maka. Nebraska, not say more pieces.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, have you ever practiced the medicine you studied?
Of course. I did my 1-year housemanship at Ruth in Lagos.
That's impressive. Impressive.
Thank you so much for the drink.
Whoa. Don't tell me you have to leave now.
Sadly, yes.
You still haven't told me what you're doing here. And who's that girl that's always with you?
Some other time.
Wait, hold on. I just got it now. Are you asking me out on another date?
Oh, please,
Is that
don't
what that
flatter
is?
yourself.
Okay, I won't flatter myself. I just leave it up to you to do. Okay? See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Helen, what are you doing here?
And why haven't you been picking my calls and replying to my messages?
Last time we spoke, you said I shouldn't speak to you again.
Wow, and you took an angry lady for her words? Come with me to the room. I want to speak with you.
You can say it here, you know. It's not loud. I'll hear you, you know, so just say it here.
Come with me. I have something to tell you.
I can't. I have something to do.
What?
Yeah. So, Okay, I need to focus. I need to clear my head, okay?
My baby girl is back! My princess is back!
Mommy,
how are you?
I'm good, Mom.
Mom, you're not a big girl.
Oh, yes, I've been taking good care of myself. How was the flight?
Fine.
Okay, let me go and see if those girls are done making the
No,
meal.
Mom, don't put that yourself.
Oh, I'll put it myself. Guess what? They are preparing your favorite. Open salad!
Mommy, I love you!
It's all right. You know what? Let me get to it.
All right,
when
all
you
right.
get
I'll
yourself
be waiting
refreshed,
for you.
okay? All right, excuse me.
My princess. Oh.
It's really hard to be alone over here. You have no idea how happy I am that you're back.
What about my brother?
Don't mention his name.
What?
No.
Why?
Just don't mention his
What's the matter?
Your Highness.
Hey. Well,
Brother.
they said I have to get married in 5 days.
They said. What are you going to do about Joe?
The gods are going to show me what to do.
Same gods who tell you to practice tradition. I see.
Are you saying
I'm
that?
not saying anything. She stalked me on Twitter. I think she's crazy about you. Jill, I mean.
I know.
My Orphan Salah. I can't wait to see it. Orphan Salah.
I don't want to marry her. You're the only one I want to be with.
I don't believe you.
I love you.
That's not the news around town.
Trust me. I have a plan.
Letting you in. I'm letting you in. I'm letting you in. I'm letting me out. I'm doing this for me. I'm letting you in. 'Cause you want all around the world. Yeah. You want my heart. You want my heart. I'm letting you in. Kesi kwano abodi chara, my baby. Kwakwano mo mkeni chara, my baby. Kesi kwano abodi chara, my baby. Kwakwano mo mkeni chara, my baby. Kesi kwano abodi chara, my baby. Kwakwano mo mkeni chara, my baby. Kesi kwano abodi chara, my baby. Kwakwano mo mkeni chara, my baby. Kesi kwano abodi chara, my baby. Kwakwano mo mkeni chara, my baby. Kesi kwano abodi chara, my baby. Kwakwano mo mkeni chara, my baby. Kesi kwano abodi chara, my baby. Kwakwano mo mkeni chara, my baby. Kesi kwano abodi chara, my baby. Kwakwano mo. I'm letting you in. I'm letting me out. I'm doing this for me. I'm letting you in. 'Cause you want.
I had one of the days of my life.
You mean the best day of your life?
Yes. I would say the best day of my life.
Well, it doesn't have to end here. You know? I'm very attracted to you. I feel very connected to myself whenever I'm with you.
Stop.
Why? What's going on? Alido, what? It's okay.
Listen, I can't deny the fact that I'm equally very excited when I'm with you. But unfortunately, I can't see you anymore.
Why?
Please.
But why?
Sorry.
Everything's going okay. Alido, what's wrong? Hey! Hey! Alido.
My lady, what's the matter?
There's nothing to worry about. Have you had something to eat?
Not yet.
Okay. You can place another. I'd like to have white rice and stew.
Right.
I'm fine.
You did what? Do you know the magnitude of what you did? Everyone in the community is saying you want to sell the community.
Please, calm down. Just don't raise your voice, okay?
I fear for you, Izuna.
What's going on here?
Your brother tried to sell half of the kingdom to some foreign businessman.
That is just a gross exaggeration.
He tried to bring in Yono and he was struck to the ground.
The man has a spinal cord injury. What happened to him is perfectly normal.
Is he still alive?
And I didn't try to bring anyone in. I just made a business proposal to some businessmen and we tried to do business. How did you even get to know about this?
The bag of money you gave him is right outside. I feared for his life if he did not return the money on time.
I'm just trying to use my powers to help my people. I'm trying to do the best for my home.
The people are your home. Not the lands, not the hills, and not the resources. Manage the people good, and the resources will be managed better. For the best of your home. Besides, you are not king yet.
Bedike no kwa muma bem kan akwalugi bu ogalagi di mawo dogu dike na nukwonu. Anonga ga bigi ga mu na akwalim bem mawo bem na chimbeda dago. Onye ga mu na egwu maka ogalagi dike dike na akwalu buru no banu. Ebube dike mo jelimba we tulugo we na Igbo ni de mawo ede ni damulibo. Mawo jelimba we kwalenu. Onye ka m na-egwu na ọgalagidi dike ebube dike mbụba na-agbalụ odogwu ọnụ owuwe na nnukwu ọnụ ka njikwa ọ bịara ebe mmadụ ga-egburu ya na enu gwara naba mkpumkpu ọgbakwana ya n'azụ onye aga m na-ekwu elu ibe gwa karịa na mmanwụ
Hello. It is a beautiful day. I've just seen it. You know, with the aid of the gods, I can look into the seeds of time and tell you which grains will grow and which will not. The money you were given is the commencement of a sound investment. Yes. You've been concerned about that money, but you see, it is to serve a dual purpose. One, part of it will be given to the owners of the land. Ordinarily, because the youths are not employed, they are bound to be restive. You will use part of the money in compensating them and ensuring that all their anger is pacified. The nature of development that will come into our community will not only guarantee employment for the youths, but also provide funding for the young men who are brilliant but don't have the opportunity for sound education. They will all be trained on scholarship. We have lacked hospitals for a very long time. Hospitals are coming. So I want to assure you again that you have absolutely nothing to worry about, nothing.
Thank you.
From what I observed since I got back, there's so much light in here. But there's darkness.
Because that is a village.
Mom, Izuna has his vision for this village. But some traditions need to be changed.
If that is his vision, then I totally object. These traditions have been here from time immemorial. You children do not listen.
Mom, how can we listen? If we listen, things will never change. Don't you want to be free?
People want to live because that's what they know. People don't want to die because that's what they don't know.
Will the people allow us to teach them what we know?
He goes home to rest. My husband, your father.
Yes, Mom, I know. But you did a great job by taking care of him.
Well, hello.
ridiculous. Wait, hold on. What do you mean that you're pregnant for me? Huh?
And what is that supposed to mean?
It's supposed to mean that you're not supposed to get pregnant. You're not supposed to get pregnant. How difficult is that?
Really?
Yes!
You know you can act any other way, but don't stand here and act dumb with me, Osita. Do you really think that I'd not be pregnant and come here and tell you that I am?
How am I supposed to know? Huh? How am I supposed to know?
I'll pretend that I didn't hear that one.
How far along are you?
Three weeks.
Wait. I hope you're not calculating if the baby is yours or not.
Helen, you can't just come to me with a baby, okay? You can't just come to me with what do you expect? A feast? Huh?
Well, that would be incredible.
Listen to me. Helen, look at me. This is not a joke. This is not funny.
Okay. I'm sorry. Well, I'm not joking too. You know. You. I'd rather abort this baby than bringing me into this world without a father.
Wait.
What?
Just sit. My father. My father instructed that none of his grandchildren be aborted. Now I must.
Marry me?
Don't get too excited.
Well, I'm not.
Joelle? Have you heard from your fiancé?
I haven't heard a word from Izuna.
I heard they were doing something in the palace concerning their father's final offer.
I know. I was supposed to be there, but he didn't invite me. Didn't text to explain. Nothing.
Oh my God, don't worry. Don't worry about that. He's probably just a bit occupied.
You know what? Nothing to worry about. The prophet said, I am going to marry the king, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Osita! Osita!
Whoa.
What are you looking at?
Relax. What are you doing? You're overreacting. I'm not, man.
Charity, I forgot my phone. Could you please help me with it?
Oh, okay. Let me get it.
Thank you.
And who are you? What's your name? My name is Oledo. Please.
want your money, but I so very much want to harm. Seeing how you almost died, yet you didn't. I believe you owe me a favor. Please don't hurt me. Stay away from Orsita. Else, I will cut you open painfully and still have sweet dreams.
Stay away from Osita!
Baby, I have it now. Is everything okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I think I need to have some water.
Okay.
Yes, I'm fine.
Alright.
Charity, I'm getting tired. We have to go back to the room.
Alright, ma'am.
So,
Oledo, what's going on? I've been trying to reach you.
Please, stop. She's busy.
Excuse me, I'm trying to talk to you.
No, please. She's busy.
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. What do you want?
Why have you been avoiding me?
Go back to your woman.
What woman are you talking about?
The one you've not been faithful with.
Okay, see, now you've lost me again. I don't have any woman, okay? Are you just saying this to keep me away from you?
I don't want to tempt you.
It's a bit too late for that now, isn't it? Come on.
Osi.
What's up?
Listen.
What is it? Oledo, I'm here. It's me. It's me.
I'm getting married. That's the truth. I lacked attention from my fiancé, and you filled a space in my heart. A space he left empty. Still, I've given him my promise, and I can't go back on it. The truth is, I'm always happy when I'm with you. I can't lie about that. Oh. Stop!
Come on, Oledo, it's me. It's me. Come on!
Charity!
Oledo! Oledo. Oledo. It's me.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, where's the lady that stays in this room?
Sir, she checked out this morning. Sir.
Wait. You're sure she checked out?
Yeah, she did, sir. She checked out this morning.
Okay.
Ebe tinyere isi harata, ebe tinyere kwaroko. ebe m tinyere onwe m heart attack. Ana m ama na azụ ya bụ ezi.
You look really, really beautiful.
Thank you. You never called me.
I'm sorry. I got really busy once I got back here.
I can see that. You've lost some weight, but you still look very handsome.
Are you ready to be queen?
Yes, I'm ready to be your queen. I like that look on your face. Kingly. Let's take a selfie. All right.
The next queen of this kingdom will be meeting with Ezemo tomorrow for necessary advice and counseling. Yes, tomorrow.
That will be fine.
Tomorrow.
My daughter, I want to start by congratulating you. You have been chosen by the entire community to be the queen, the wife of the Igwe. It is a very, very heavy responsibility. And to be chosen from among all the beautiful girls in the community, it means you enjoy some special honor from the gods. So once more, let me congratulate you.
Thank you, wise one.
I know that as a young, educated girl, you must have some distractions naturally. But you see, the moment you come into the kingdom as the king's wife and the queen of the entire community, a lot of all those privileges you enjoy as a single girl will be curtailed. Not because you are responsible, no, but because it's the norm. Hmm? Anybody who comes into the palace must obey the rules of the palace. Therefore, as you enter the palace, you must give up on all those little rights of yours. Henceforth, whatever the Igwe decides is what you must do. As a matter of fact, his every wish is your command. Those excesses, which by the way are your entitlement, will be curbed. Not because you, as a girl, are concerned, but because you must conform with the demands of that office, the office of the wife of the king. It's a special favor being the queen, but there is something you must bear in mind. You are also his subject. In other words, much as you enjoy some privileges as the queen, you are still the king's subject. So when he says, do this, do that, what do I mean by this? Whenever the king wakes you up at night and says you must perform your wifely duties, don't face the wall and say you're tired. It's his privilege, and you can't deny him that. So once more, congratulations.
Thank you, wise one.
Now come. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you.
Hello, son.
What happened to my portraits? Dad's portraits. They're gone. They were here when I left.
It's not what you think.
Then what is it?
The elders came and took them down, as tradition requires.
Ah, look what the cat dragged in. Look at you. Wait. Have you been working out or something? You look all buff and everything.
Oh, yes. I I have some news. This is Helen. And she's my girlfriend. She's pregnant. Wow. For me. And that's why I decided to bring her home.
Wow, this is wonderful. Oh, rise, my dear. You are welcome, okay?
Welcome. So, you're gonna be my sister-in-law? Let's go.
Son, you did what is honorable by bringing her home.
Thank you, Mother.
Both of you need some catching up to do. Excuse me.
I'm really glad you're back.
Same here, brother. Same here.
You know, It's unfortunate we had the misunderstanding the last time. I actually thought that you were not going to be around for my coronation and wedding.
When is it? The wedding?
You didn't know? Tomorrow.
No, I didn't know.
Okay, great timing then. The gods must have had a hand in this.
So how is she? The bride? A little birdie told me that Jewel is still in your heart.
Don't be ridiculous. You know the laws of the land more than I do. I have to marry the betrothed lady.
And how do you feel about that?
A man's got to do what a man's got to do. Even the king is not above the laws of the land.
Right.
But you'll meet her later. She's coming over this evening for dinner. Mom invited her. There was something I put up over there. I wanted you to be able to witness this.
Oh,
Hi.
Hello. I almost thought you weren't gonna make it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was busy earlier.
It's cool.
Sorry, I can't.
Please say it.
Thank you. So, you wanted to speak to me about something?
Yes. Do you know who I am?
I really don't.
I'm Osita. Izuna's brother.
Oh.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry if you don't mind me asking. How did you get my contact?
I have my ways.
Right.
And I totally understand you not knowing me, you know. I've been away most of the time, you know? And you've been deliberately kept away from the family, so I totally understand.
What do you mean deliberately?
The pain in your eyes. The sadness in your heart.
Can you please just tell me what's going on?
Izuna doesn't want to be with you. He wants to be with another woman. He is already. You know? Besides tradition, he has no purpose for you. Honestly, you were just to warm his bed till he got married to the one he truly loves. I think you should fight for your man.
How?
You're a woman. You know how. Hope I've been of help today. Have a lovely day.
Open the door! Joel, open! Joel! Joel? Joel? Joel, what's the problem? Joel, what is it? Why are you crying? Joel? Why are you crying? What's going on? What's the matter? Oh my God. What happened now? What happened? Oh. Baby, it's alright. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry now. Don't cry. What happened? Why are you crying like this now? Oh, babe. Babe, calm down. It's okay. It's alright. You'll be fine now. You'll be fine. It's okay.
Izuna, he stabbed me to death. It was so real and scary.
Dreams are silly.
Not mine. Not mine, Izuna.
Joel? Oh. Joel? Joel?
Oh, God.
It's okay. Are you okay?
Oh, my God. Leave me.
What is the matter?
You killed her now. Leave me. Why did you have to do that?
Killed? Who's dead? Nene, please talk to me.
Why did you... Why didn't you just send someone now? You could have spoken to her like a man.
Who? What are you talking about, please? Please calm down, calm down.
Don't touch me! You and your brother killed her.
My brother. No, Nene, please, please.
No! Leave me now! Do you want to kill me too? Leave me!
Izu, what's happening? Eh? What's it?
A nightmare. Nightmare.
Be strong, okay? Your coronation is tomorrow. Be strong.
They almost get me.
This chain has him heart attack. He wants to give me heart attack. Go to sleep.
Shall be king soon.
Once more, I greet all of you. As you all know, for a very long time, we never had an Igwe for very obvious reasons. Today, I am glad to state emphatically that we now have an Igwe. As you all know, you don't normally crown kings outside, no. You crown kings inside, then the king is presented to the people. I am happy to announce to all of you that the entire operation went very well. And now that the Igwe is here in our midst and seated, in my capacity as the custodian of the culture of our people and the keeper of the Ofo, which is the traditional staff of office, I'd now like to present same to the Igwe so that he can commence work as the Igwe from now on. Igwe, please step forward.
I'm for Ekene Mono. Yeah. Ekene Mono. Yeah. Ekene Mono. Yeah.
Obodo amụfụ ka m na-ekwu maka na anyị enweghị igwe na Chukwu gọziri anyị were igwe wee chọọ anyị mma si na anyị enweghị igwe anyị enwezugo na anyị echizugo na anyị emụzugo nwa obodo anyị enweghị igwe.
Ọdụkọ nọmba nwanyị gbara ngalacha nwoke okwu. Elewe nwanyị ọ na-eti ụdara mmecha. Ọ na-emekwa na ikwu okwu osimiri anụ olu gị. Ụwa nụrụ olu gị. Arụsị niile dị n'ụwa gbọrọ gị sia na na-enye gị ekele. Ọdụkọ nọmba lekwa ibere ala nwa ewu ji ahụ nne ya rakwanye aka m ji bịa kene nwanyị dị mma ekene o.
Daalụ nwa m o. A na-emasị nwatakịrị saba arụ. Ọ na-asasọ n'afọ. Nke ahụ o ji bụ nwatakịrị. Ọkụkọ ahụ na-ene ite anya. Ya chetakwanụ mma gburu ya. Chinedu, stop frowning at your wife. She is not the cause of your problem.
It's a wine. It's a wine. Then what is the problem?
The baby in your wife's womb is a destined child. You should be happy to have her as a child.
It's a wine. Baby girl? It's a wine, please. I don't want a baby girl. Please talk to the gods. I need a male child. Please, I don't want a baby girl.
Allow the gods to give us whatever that pleases them.
Chinedu. Oke osimiri anakwa anaghị eri. Onye ọ ga-afọ ụkwụ ya anya. In your previous life, you were a prince. You and your father connived and sacrificed an innocent child to his evil deity in the name of tradition. Now the little girl swore to come back just to cause you and your father great pain. Yes, your evil deeds have come to visit you. Your father reincarnated as a king and has 2 sons. The child you and your father killed will come back to you as your daughter. She will destroy the king as Oledu.
Hey, there's a wine. Please. Who is Oledu?
Oledu is the child your wife is carrying. Her coming, my son, her coming will bring about your death. Yes. She will grow up to become the queen of her kingdom.
Don't kill yourself before the 4 market days. I know there must surely be a solution when we get back there. Eh?
Adama. I don't want to die now.
No, stop saying it. You will not die. You will not die. I know when we get back then, there will surely be a solution. You will not die. You will not. Eh?
Do you think so?
I believe so. I believe there must surely be a solution. Please, eh? Stop crying. I don't want to see you cry. Please. You need to eat something. You've not eaten anything since we get back. Please. Please.
Forget about the food.
I should forget about the food. I should forget about the food. I should forget about the food. I can't forget about the food now. I can't forget about the food. I can't. You need to eat something. You know you need something.
It's okay.
It's
okay. It's okay.
You eat something.
It's okay.
You will eat something.
Okay, let's go.
Oh yeah, let's eat something. Get up. Carry me out so you come and eat. Get up, stop crying. You're crying. It's affecting me. please stop.
Judge the people with the law of karma. Whatever you do, that you must reap. If not in this world, in another world. Just be careful and stay away from evil.
Easy wine. So, what is my fate?
You have to do a lot of good deeds. A lot of deeds. A lot enough to wipe away your evil records. If you are lucky enough to see the birth of this child, then give in. If not, nothing will stop the future.
Ife gbawojiri anya, onwere onye malụ ya. Ife afụmelụ na ndeli, onwere onye folu ya. She's a seer, she's a fortune teller. She can tell you everything. Yes, a one you do conamba. She's a fortune teller. Wanyi do kanamba, wanyi manarisia. Yes, a wanyi obodanyi. Some people they ask, how Almighty God could judge this world? But the truth we say, the world is already judged by the law of karma. Makifonya metekwalo, imetento, imetemano, imetento, ifonya metekwalo, ifonya metekwalo, imetema, imetento. Ife gbawojiri anya, onwere onye malụ ya. Ife afụmelụ na ndeli, onwere onye folu ya. She's a seer, she's a fortune teller. Well,
That's it. Awesome. Yeah. Take me. That's it. Awesome. Keep on. You gotta go. Asamu wanyama. Asamu wanyama mepewe anyagi kifu kene kashi igemeyemo kashi fuginahe Asamu wanyama piano metu bobi. You get the melody, I get the harmony. That's it. Piano metu bobi. You get the melody. Wabamule Asamu wanyama. Baby, girl, I cannot do. You're the one I'm looking for. Wabamule Asamu wanyama. Baby, girl, I cannot do. You're the one I'm looking for. Wabamule You're the one I'm looking for.